In this series of videos, I'm going to talk about working with Python, specifically using Anaconda. To begin with, in this video, we're going to talk about what Anaconda is, what it provides, and why you would want to use it. And then in subsequent videos, we'll dig in, we'll actually download Anaconda, set it up, we'll talk about setting up environments, and we'll create our first Python program. So jumping right in, what is Anaconda? Well, it's basically a bundle of software. It includes not only Python itself, but also tools for working with Python. For example, Anaconda comes with something called Conda, which is a command line package manager. Now, whenever you're working with Python, you're typically working with outside packages. There's a whole host of different tools and utilities that other developers have created that you can integrate into your Python projects. And it's one of the things that makes Python so great. It's very extendable using these outside tools. Well, something like Conda, this command line package manager, helps you manage all of those tools you're going to be using. Another utility that Anaconda comes with is what they call the Navigator. It's their desktop application that allows you to have access to a lot of the things that Anaconda provides. For example, you can launch applications, manage your outside libraries and packages, set up environments, which is something we'll be talking about in this video. It's just a nice visual interface for working with Anaconda. A third thing that comes bundled into Anaconda is a curated list of packages that are really popular in scientific programming. There's packages geared towards data analysis, data visualization, just a lot of utilities that if you're working in data science, you're going to be reaching for those packages. And if you're working with Anaconda, you're not going to have to worry about installing them. They're just going to be available by default. Now, the takeaway from that feature is just understanding that Anaconda is very much designed with the data science community in mind, but don't let that discourage you if you don't do data science. Anaconda is a great general purpose tool for anyone looking to work with Python. Just because it comes with those data science packages doesn't mean you have to use them. Some other things you'll find bundled into Anaconda are some standalone programs. For example, there is Jupyter, which is a document-style way of writing Python code where you can execute code while also including documentation for that code. It's a really good way to share code with others and show your work, so to speak. Anaconda also includes a powerful code editor called Spyder that's very popular in the scientific programming community. But there's nothing that says you have to use Spyder. If you already have a favorite code editor, you can very much use that with the Python install that comes with Anaconda. The final feature we're going to get with Anaconda that I want to highlight is the ability to work with environments. Environments are these isolated workspaces you can create that are customized to a given project. This is really helpful because different projects will have different needs. There'll be different outside packages they want to use. Sometimes you might even have projects that require different versions of Python. And by creating these isolated environments or workspaces, you can really accommodate that. So hopefully with the summary of utilities you're going to get with Anaconda, you start to get a sense of what Anaconda provides. What are its benefits? It basically gives you these tools that you're going to need when working with Python, and it bundles them together into a nice package. But knowing that, I do want to take a moment to mention that Anaconda is not the only way you could get set up with these tools. There's lots of other ways you could go about setting up your development environment. For example, instead of using Conda, the Anaconda command line package manager, another popular package manager used in the world of Python is something called pip. So you could individually install pip on your computer and use that to manage your Python packages. Similarly, with the environment system that Anaconda provides, there's a utility called virtual env, or virtual environment, that's popular in the Python community. That would be another way to work with environments. So you have options, but as I said, the nice thing about Anaconda is it just bundles everything together so you can really hit the ground running. So now that we understand what Anaconda is and how it could be useful to you as a Python programmer, in the next video we're going to look at setting up Anaconda, creating our first environment, and running our first Python program.